If you're looking to stop recurring charges on YouTube, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account that has the active subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your purchases. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Purchases and Memberships. This section will show you all your active subscriptions and purchases related to YouTube. Step 3. Locate the subscription. Find the subscription you want to cancel. It may be labeled as YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, or any other service you are subscribed to. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Click on the subscription you wish to cancel. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership or Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on YouTube. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to YouTube support.